it's me, Megan, and welcome back to another video. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make cookies and cream ice cream slime. And it's going to be butter slime. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. But before I begin, please subscribe to my channel. Also that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I do a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up. And if you did all that, please #squad. And you can get a shout out in my next video. So yeah, let's just move on to the video.
Yeah, you can be the greatest.
So the ingredients that you will need to make it is something to stir in and stir with, some activator, which I'm using Stay-Flo, some Dazo clay or Model Magic, anything to make butter slime, and some washable, some type of glue that has PVA in it, and some black glitter. So that is everything you'll need to make this slime. So now let's move on to making the slime. Okay guys, so you're gonna first start out with adding your glue. So just add in your glue, and I'm adding a full bottle, which is 4 ounces, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 4 fluid ounces. Okay. So, okay, sorry. Okay, so then you're going to take your glitter and you're going to add this in. Well, that was a lot. But you're needing it to make it look like black specks in it. Which, that is how mine looks. Let me get you guys a close-up. Oh, okay, good. There it is. So. And you guys, so then after you add that, you're going to add in your activator. Crap, no, no, no. My stick fell in. No. Okay. And you have to make sure that this is still kind of sticky, which I might have overactivated mine. No. Okay. I thought I overactivated my slime. I don't think I did. Okay, yeah, I didn't. And you guys still need to make sure that it's sticky for when you add in your Dazo clay, so, or clay or whatever that you're using, what type of clay you're using. I would say that needs a little more, at least to get my... Okay. Won't come off. Okay, come on, get off me. Okay, now let's put in... Okay guys, sorry, I had to clean off my hands because they're really gross. So, I'm just gonna cut this. And you can get Dazo clay off of Amazon, which that's where I get it. And I think it's personally cheaper than normal Model Magic. So, I'm just going to open it. And I only use half of one for a full thing of a full 4 fluid ounces. So just gonna take this, and guys, this clay feels the best. So, oh my gosh, it is so nice. Guys, I haven't felt this in a while. So, oh my gosh, guys. I love this, guys. It's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of me putting this into the slime because it's really pretty. Okay, guys, I have to do this with one hand, so I'm just gonna break it in half like that. And ready, set, go. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this stuff. I feel like it gets stickier. I don't know why. So, okay guys, my slime got really sticky, but here it is so far. It's not too buttery, so I'm gonna add some more Dazo clay. So I'm just gonna do like half of that. But I feel like the Dazo clay makes it really sticky. So, look at this. This is like my favorite type of stuff ever. And if your slime feels a little stiff, you can add lotion to it, which I might because I like mine a little less, I think. This is really nice though. And it looks so much like cookies and cream. Let's see how the buttery. Yeah, so I'll be back and I'm gonna add some lotion to this and some more Dazo clay to the last little bit and make it more buttery. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay guys, so I just finished it, and if you guys are probably wondering why I kept adding more Stay Flow, it was right after I added the Dazo clay. It like remade my slime sticky, and so it turned out to be really sticky, so I just had to add more. And so here it is. And I might add some more glitter, but right now it looks really cute, and it looks a lot like cookies and cream. So yeah, I really like this slime, and it's very buttery, guys. Like, if you guys did not see it, like, look at this. So yeah, it's really nice. So I like this a lot. So yeah, there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I do a new video. And please subscribe to my channel, and if you did all that, please #squad, and you can get a shout out in my next video. See you guys next time. Bye!